I'm trading a 1k live account right now in my own currency which I use here. So I'll be showing to you how everything is going on this particular 1k account. Let's see how we can take this 1k, and we are going to minimize the risks and all of that. So I'll be dropping also the setup and the account I'm trading, the proper account I'm trading. Also, I'm still on the account, so I'll be showing you all my setups for both the live and the prop one. So let's go, as I'll be showing you the setup for the day. So today is Monday. I'll be showing you the setup which I have on XAU USD today and how it's running currently. So let's go. So when I entered the trade, it was early and I couldn't make the video for you guys here, but I'll be dropping more setups as time goes on. I'll still be dropping more setups because we still have more opportunity here to go. So currently this is what's happening on this particular trade. So I have this trade on my MT5 right now. So at the close of the day, I'm going to tag it to this particular video. The end of the result, I'm going to tag it to this video and let's see how it goes. So I'll go on a clear chart so that I can analyze, so that I can show you how I come about my analysis and how I get my entry point before entering at that particular point. So let me look for a chart that I can wipe and show you everything, or the chart that is clear. Okay, so we can use this particular place here and let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So going to the 1 hour time frame, let's see what we have on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, let's bring up our trend line here to help us as a form of a confluence to whatever we are doing here. So as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, the price is currently bullish. And how do I know the price is currently bullish? Let's go back. We can take it from behind here. So you can take it from behind here. This is a break of structure and this high should not be taken out. So the high is taken out. The high that led to this low is taken out. So we have a change of character at that particular point there. So I'm starting from behind so you can understand why I am buying or why I am currently on a buy trade. So since I have there as my change of character, what I'm looking for is this low. Whenever this low is taken out before I change my bias, this particular low here. So this is gonna be my protected low. That's the overall. I'm talking about the overall now. Protected low for the overall trend right now on the 1 hour, regardless of the moves which are happening in between. So I'm picking out the swing points. You can see this particular swing points which I'm picking. So regardless of what's happening inside, because there are other trend happening inside. So this is the swing point here. This one is a swing low. I'm just picking the swing points, and I have swing high here. So this is what I'm looking up to, regardless of the noise which is currently happening inside. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at right now. So with this understanding you have, how do I now get my entry? So my entry, I got it on the lower time frame. So I know my zones which I'm looking at right now. So I go down back to the lower time frame. On getting there to the lower time frame, I just go back. I can go back to this particular current move. This current move now, I can go back to the current move. So at this current move also, you can see a change of trend here. That's on the 15-minute time frame. So you can see it here, and I'll take my fib to wanna mark from here to the low here, giving me the buy point which I need around here, marking out my 3 zones. So this is the internal structure right now. The internal structure, calling here my protected low. So I'm calling here my protected low. This is how I got my entry. This is how I got my entry. And if I'm waiting for a confirmation, maybe you're waiting for a confirmation before you can enter. So you can see here also there's a change of character here also, and there's a double bottom or equal low here. There's an equal low there. So with this confirmation, I entered on a buy, and whichever way it goes, fine. So if you are looking for a buy now, what you're gonna do is you have to wait, because the price might reverse from that particular zone. So you don't have to rush in, you just have to wait for this particular zone. Maybe if you are looking for a new entry opportunity, maybe the price will back down to this particular zone before you can go in on a buy. So we are buying to this particular high here. This is the target, the swing high. So the swing high there, that's the target. Buying from here. So if you can get your trade here, you are buying to this high, and let your SL be just below here. So we are using here now as a protected low for this current trend that's happening. So here now is gonna be a protected low. For those of you who are gonna buy here, I'm talking about those who are gonna buy here. So if you're gonna buy here, your SL can just be below here, and that's 1:5. You can hold to this particular zone, this previous high, and you'll have a good risk to reward there. That's 1:5, 1:5.58. So I think this should be a good one. So let's see how the trade will go, and I'll tag the result of this particular trade in the video. I'll tag it so you can all watch and see how it's going. I'll see you in the next video.